Hi y'all! Are you having a wonderful beginning to your new year, 2021? It's got to be better than 2020. It's got to be better. Let's all put it out there that this is going to be a great year. Things are going to turn around. Things are going to go back to normal, whatever normal is. Today we're going to be opening the CauseBox, and CauseBox is one of my favorite boxes. It's a quarterly subscription box, and you can order it either monthly or annually. It's $1.99 annually or $54.80 if you order it quarterly like I do. There will be a link for the subscription that's an affiliate link for me in the description of the video if you find that you're interested. The reason this box is so amazing is because it's a box that's basically for women who support women, and it's ethical and sustainable items for you and your household, and it supports a lot of really small businesses in third world countries as well as other places too, but really helps a lot of small businesses support their families from other countries. There are 6 to 8 products, and you are able to customize your box. You usually get to choose about 3 items, and then the rest they pick for you. Now, I did order aftermarket items this holiday season, but they haven't come in yet. And I did go to their website and look, and even the CauseBox just arrived yesterday, and it's the 31st of December right now. So really didn't arrive in time for Christmas if that's what you were headed for. And they talked about in their letter about how they were trying to be safe with their staff with COVID and everything. And I completely understand that part. But I do have to say, COVID's been going on for quite some time. And if this is a holiday box, I would think that you've had enough months to kind of prepare and figure out how to get it out on time. So I was a little bit disappointed that it didn't arrive before Christmas. But, I do understand, especially where they have businesses in a lot of third world countries. It's not just the shipping or the getting the boxes together from here and shipping them out. It's also getting all the items from all their partners worldwide who are also dealing with COVID. So like I said, I really do understand, but in the same token, we've been dealing with COVID for quite a while now. And so I feel like you should be doing your best to still be on time. So anyway, I'm just glad it's here, and I'm very grateful for it. So we will move on from that slight little, I wouldn't call it as much a criticism as it was just a little bit of a disappointment. So let's get on to bigger and brighter things and see what's in the CauseBox. So this month, they always have a different artist, and it's really a pretty box. It did get a little banged up this time, but I did already cut the tape on it to save me some time. So as you open the box, you've got the nice CauseBox, and like I said, all the artwork. And I usually do keep their boxes. This one kind of got beat up pretty bad, so might see whether I use it. And then they've got the little sticker on the top here. You open it up, and you've got all the goodies inside, something big and fluffy, and then other items down there in the box. So, let's see. Let me see if there's a booklet here somewhere. There's the booklet. Okay, so I looked in the box, and I did not receive the booklet this year. It always comes with a nice booklet like this that goes through and tells you about the artist and all the items that you got. And there is no booklet in my box at all. So I'm going to show you the items, and maybe I'll try and pull them up on the website to give you a little bit of information. But I'm going to have to email them and let them know I didn't get my book. So I can't really give you the descriptions and such. Darn it. Okay, so started out with this big fluffy grave. And this is one of the things that I chose. It's a nice little sweater. Let's see if I can get back far enough that you can see. There's the bottom. So really cute. Super soft and fluffy. I'm gonna love this. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Yay. Oh, that's yummy. It's like a nice soft fluffy bathrobe, but it's a sweater. That's beautiful. I'm gonna really love that. So, let me see. With this sweater, see if I can look at the tag and tell you something about it. It says Thread and Supply, the Thread and Supply Company. So, that's all I have on that for you. Let me see what it's made of. Made in China, recycled polyester. So, like I said, it's sustainable. So this is recycled polyester, which is amazing. They've been doing, you know, bamboo and a lot of that kind of thing. So that's absolutely beautiful. Now let me pull up the website so I can just kind of tell you a little bit about. So for this one, you had the choice of a Rose and Fitzgerald brushed gold kettle that was worth $98, or this Thread and Supply cozy cloud wrap that was $115. It says, with its downright cashmere feel, you probably would never guess this wrap is made from recycled plastic water bottles, but it is. This cloud soft sweater pairs well with socially distant dinner dates or cozy nights in. So recycled plastic water bottles. I don't know why it said polyester, except for maybe polyester is plastic, and so that's why they're calling it that. That's confusing to me, but that's amazing that it's made with plastic water bottles, and that makes it even more comfy and yummy to use and wear. So then let me see what our other choices were. We had the choice of the Idlewild Company Yearly Planner, which was a $32 value, which is what I chose, so I'll show it to you next, or the Soon Skincare Peony Foot Masks, which were $45. But I chose this beautiful planner. It really looks pretty too. So it's a 2021 planner. And, oh nice, it has the tabs on the side with all the months. And it looks like you have kind of weekly pages. And then there's a monthly page. So a pretty detailed planner book. That's really pretty. Really pretty. So that's what I chose, was the planner book. And that again was a $32 value. Then we had the choice of activated eco reusable silicone baking sheets or Boone Supply reusable zip pouches. And I chose the baking sheets. And so here they are, the reusable silicone baking sheets. And I just love these. Yay! So again, you can put your cookies or anything on there to bake. It's not going to stick to your pan. It's going to keep your pan clean. I absolutely love that. I'm excited to use those. I haven't had any in quite a while. I usually buy the ones for the bottom of the oven so that when things spill, it spills down on the mat and, you know, doesn't make all the messes and stuff like that. So, yay! Next, they had a choice of, or I had a choice of the Attitude Travel Beauty Pillowcase or Maggie's Organic Heathered Slouchy Socks. And I went ahead and chose the Slouchy Socks. And they're soft. Get them close so you can see the fabric. So really cute, fairly soft. Nice pair of stockings That will be good. I like those, and I like the gray color and stuff. They'll great for, you know, hiking boots or anything like that. They feel like they've got a good amount of cushion to them. A fairly good sock. I'm going to go ahead and show you the card. The art person that does the box and everything always does a little postcard so that you can send out. And with this postcard, I was trying to see, okay, so I at least know the name of the artist. Sacree, Frangine. Sacree Frangine for CauseBox. Very pretty. I like that. Then we got to choose either True Morning Rejuvenating Body Polish or Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters or Sanctuary Project Thick Gold Hoop Earrings. And I chose the coasters. So let me get down to it. Okay, sorry I'm having to do so much reading off the phone. The Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters, a sophisticated set of 4 coasters handmade out of marble, pairs perfectly with coffee or a cocktail. These gorgeous artisan craft pieces were made by 60% female workforce, $42 value. So they are in this nice little box. And when you open it up, get my little cutter out here. They're well wrapped, which is a good thing. They don't break. Okay, and I'll pull one of them out if I can. They're wrapped really well, double wrapped. They're individually in bubble paper inside that package I showed you. So let me just see if I can get one out to show you. Maybe. It's a good thing that they're tight, but whew. Oh, it looks like it's, that's why too. They're taped together too. Okay, so see, they're in individual little plastic after that. And then they're wrapped in paper after that. Oh, those are beautiful. Oh, really pretty. They're just like a white marble. And they've got the little pads on the bottom. That's really pretty. Those are going to be really nice. I like having a nice set of coasters, and I haven't had a new set in quite a while. And most of mine are just dispersed all over the house where I set my drinks. So it'd be nice to have a little coaster set. They did in the afterbox have a coaster holder, but I'm not really sure whether or not I got that. I don't remember. Hard to remember sometimes what you got. And then the one thing that they gave everybody, and I got this in another box as well from the same company, but it's funny because oh, this is a face toner. So I got some of the same brand, and it was a makeup remover oil, and it was black truffle. And this is a Truffle Therapy face toner. So that's nice to have from the same company, even though they came in different boxes. I've got the toner and the makeup remover. Nice smell. Not too strong, just really light, clean. Has a little bit of a floral, tiny bit of a floral smell. So, the CauseBox this month was a little bit chaotic for me to open, especially since I didn't get the book, but I'll email them and I'm sure they'll get that sent out to me. So this month we received the Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Face Toner, which was a $30 value. The Idlewild Yearly Planner, which was a $32 value. The Thread & Supply Cozy Cloud Wrap, which was a $15 value. The Activated Eco Reusable Silicone Baking Sheets. And I don't see a price on those. The Maggie's Organic Heathered Slouchy Socks, which was a $25 value. the Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters, which was a $42 value, and the beautiful artwork card that was in there. So I hope you enjoyed the CauseBox this month. This month probably wasn't my very favorite, but it still was well worth the money. I mean, this sweater alone, most people would pay somewhere between $40 and $50 for. And since that's about what the box costs, that means everything else is just a bonus. So Cause is always really worth your money and a good bang for your buck. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't already, remember, please thumbs up, likes on that video. Plus, when you subscribe, you can come back to the channel often where you can say, Karma's your friend. Bye, y'all.